So let's talk about Grow to Heal. When did the concept come about?
About 5 years ago, I met our CEO at Homestead Hospital, Bill Duquette. He wanted to do something with some land that's on campus that had no designation. We have about 10 acres there.
Nice.
And he wanted to give back to our community, and he wanted to have some sort of a garden situation. Didn't know what he wanted to do. So I met with him, saw the location, and I thought, what an opportunity to grow organic food.
Wow, that's
and
great.
Feed our patients, make them well.
Can you imagine giving you all that land and say, okay, go? I mean, what a dream.
Absolutely.
Right, for you and for so many people that saw what, okay, so what came into fruition? What happened? What did you grow, and what do you grow annually?
Well, we grow anything that will grow here under the South Florida sun, which is virtually everything. You name it. We do have some tropical fruit trees that we've installed recently, and everything, carrots, heirloom tomatoes, radishes, lettuce, broccoli, beans, you name it. We grow it.
I love it. And do you request certain produce that you need at the hospital?
We kind of get together. It's a collaboration.
Okay.
So
what kind of things do you ask for?
Usually, garnishes, as well as, vegetables, salads,
Things like that.
Yeah, things of that nature.
And how do you monitor the amount that you get? Because I've kind of learned what I need to do when I go to the market and buy certain vegetables, because I'm sure for a lot of people out there, you'll go buy the vegetables and then within a week they're bad in the fridge. So I kind of monitor it, so I know that the girls are going to eat a certain amount, and we're not going to go nothing's going to go to waste. How do you monitor the amount of vegetables that you need?
We do meal prep, planning a week ahead, writing things down, taking the time to, make sure that you know what you're cooking, and cross-utilization of things.
Do you have any
add ingredients to the same ingredients to other dishes.